Sparc provides Phillips with an opportunity to showcase latest innovations. Phillips being a leader in LED lighting solutions, it's important for us to have a connection with the professional design community. So we're moving away from being a box mover to being able to connect with the clientele that will actually integrate lighting into their finished buildings.
The fact that we can convene an event like this, certainly the biggest business lighting event in the Southern Hemisphere, the fact that we can attract so many international delegates and exhibitors, I think is testimony to the maturity of the Australian lighting industry. We see the world's leading technology at these events, including of course from companies like Phillips.
Sparc is a great event. It's only for the second time, but already everybody is here. So for me, Sparc is a meeting place. I think you go here to see peers, to get inspired by what others have to say.
Firstly, it brings all of the manufacturers and suppliers together in a collaborative event. But what's more interesting is actually seeing the look on the faces of designers, architects, engineers as they walk around and actually experience what's new. What was only dreamed as a possibility a couple of years ago is now reality. And the same question is getting asked of us all the time. Today's great, but what about tomorrow? And it's really interesting working at Phillips because we really are leading that innovation curve.
This year at Sparc we've introduced the OLED technology, organic LED, and we've actually designed a piece called Flying Butterflies. It's been designed by our in-house lighting designer Vessi Ivanova.
I'm very fascinated about the organic LEDs and their shapes and forms and how they integrate into materials. In the butterfly concept and design, I wanted to make that conduit between the technology and creation as well, and nature. It turns out as a stunning effect, and I like it.
We've combined both the Phillips lighting and Phillips Dynalights for this show to show our solution offers to the specification market. We've won an award for the Australian International Design Award. It's for our Antumbra button, the next generation user interface, which is packed full of features such as a halo glow to reveal the panel on the wall architecture when someone actually gets close to it.
We've also got luminous textile panels on the outside of our stand which provide a nice showcase for commercial applications, trying to drive that awareness that you can create nice workplace environments.
The LED technology has changed everything. There's so many more possibilities now. And what then kicks in is controls. So I don't mean just dimmers, I mean the software, the interfaces, linking up with data, the motion sensing, grasping everything we know about traffic movements in the city, interpreting that and translating it into light levels. It's really complex stuff, but it's very fascinating and it can help us to go really to the next level.
We deal with large architectural firms like Foster & Partners, and they basically start to build the buildings around the fixture. They see the building as a fixture itself. So there's a completely different way of handling lighting and the way lighting is being brought into a building.
We actually end up with practical, usable products that are very tangible and people want to use. And we're just finding people coming onto our stand, touching, exploring, and just thinking of the possibilities of what they can do with light. Phillips is a trusted brand. People rely on us to come up not only with the product, but with leading innovative solutions.
I think the event's only going to get bigger and bigger as we attract more Asia-Pacific companies down under to Sydney.
We have great ambitions for Sparc in the future.